In this quick tutorial, we're going to show you how to create a landing page for health coaches using Practice Better. If you're a health coach, you know the importance of building a strong online presence, and landing pages are crucial for capturing leads and turning visitors into clients. Stick around till the end because I'll also share some better alternatives that might be more suited for your goals, with a special offer for you. First off, Practice Better does offer a pretty simple way to build landing pages, but it's not exactly the most intuitive platform out there. You'll start by heading to your Practice Better dashboard. Once there, click on Website under the Settings menu, and you'll be brought to the section where you can manage all your web pages, including the landing page. Now, the next thing you'll need to do is click the Create Landing Page button. From here, you'll be able to choose a template. Practice Better gives you a few basic options to choose from, which is great if you're just starting out and want something quick. However, the customization options are a bit limited, so if you want a truly unique design, you'll be somewhat constrained. Once you've selected your template, the third thing you'll need to do is customize it. Here's where Practice Better falls a bit short compared to other platforms. The editing tools are functional, but not as flexible as they could be. You can add your logo, change text, and include a call to action, but the design isn't as flexible as some other platforms that allow you to really get creative with layouts. Next, let's talk about integrations. Practice Better does allow you to link your landing page to your booking system, which is nice for health coaches who want clients to schedule appointments directly from the landing page. But if you're looking for advanced integration options with email marketing or CRMs, you might run into some limitations. It's great for basic needs, but not if you're planning to scale up. Moving on to the fourth thing to keep in mind, mobile responsiveness. Your landing page will look fine on desktops, but the mobile view can be a bit hit or miss. Given that a large number of people will visit your page from mobile devices, this is an area that could use improvement. Other platforms might offer more robust mobile optimization. Finally, Practice Better does offer analytics, but again, it's quite basic. You'll get insights into page views, signups, and conversion rates, but there's no deep dive into user behavior or advanced tracking features that you might find with other tools. This could be a deal breaker if you need detailed analytics to optimize your campaigns. So, while Practice Better does provide a landing page feature for health coaches, it's not exactly the best when it comes to flexibility, design options, integrations, and advanced features. Now, I know you're here because you want a landing page solution that works. Let's be real, there are better alternatives out there. I'll go ahead and recommend one that has a much more robust set of features, including better design flexibility, mobile optimization, advanced integrations, and more detailed analytics. Plus, they offer an exclusive free trial for our viewers, so you can test it out for yourself risk-free. Be sure to check the link in the description to access the best free trial and exclusive benefits available only through our video. Don't forget, the alternatives I mentioned might just be what you need to create the perfect landing page for your health coaching practice.